Hello friends, welcome to my channel, where we explore the world through the lens of creativity. I am Eva Polak, and today we are diving into the fascinating realm of creative macrophotography. Macrophotography isn't just about getting up close. It's about discovering a new world within the details. Today we will unlock the secrets behind capturing the extraordinary in the seemingly ordinary. To kick things off, let's discuss macrophotography's artistic elements. Understanding that it goes beyond the technicalities of achieving sharp focus, it's essential. It's an art form that invites us to infuse our shots with emotion and a dash of imagination. See how the light plays on this tiny dewdrop? It's these subtle details that transform a photo from ordinary to extraordinary. The way the light hits it, making bright and dark spots, turns the picture into a fantastic piece of art. When you take close-up photos, you see the fabulous little things you might miss with your eyes. So when taking images, remember how important the sunlight can be. It can make your photos go from ordinary to extraordinary and show everyone the incredible tiny worlds. Now let's explore the endless possibilities of creative macrophotography. The same subject can tell 1,000 stories. Look at this dandelion. From above, from the side, each angle reveals a different facet of its beauty. It's like painting with your camera. Let's now explore how we can translate emotions into our shots. By adjusting the aperture and playing with the depth of field, we can create a dreamy, ethereal effect, drawing the viewer into the intimate world of our subject. Take a moment to observe the enchanting world of macrophotography using dandelion as our example. Employing a selective focus allows us to highlight particular details, whether a tiny dewdrop is delicately clinging to a parachute strand, or the intricate veins that define the delicate structure. These details are the storytellers in our macro compositions, inviting viewers to connect with the subject more profoundly. By adjusting the aperture and playing with the depth of field, you are not just changing the technical aspects of your camera. You are crafting an emotional experience for your viewers. It's like setting the stage for a story, inviting them to step into the frame and feel the emotions you felt when you press the shutter button. So the next time you are out capturing macro moments, remember to look beyond the surface. Ask yourself, what story does this detail tell? What emotion can I convey through this shot? In this consideration, we truly unlock macrophotographers' artistic potential. Now it's your turn to unleash your creativity. Grab your camera and find dandelion or another intriguing subject in your surroundings. Apply the principles we've discussed today: selective focus, creative use of light, and a keen eye for captivating details. Experiment with different sources and angles of light to cast shadows, create highlights, and unveil hidden textures. Whether it's the soft glow of the morning sun or the harsh light of midday, each lighting scenario contributes to the mood and emotion of your images. Don't be afraid to play with shadows and highlights to add depth and drama. As you explore your subject through the lens, channel your inner detective to uncover the captivating details that might go unnoticed by the casual observer. Capture the essence of your chosen subject in a series of macro shots, aiming to tell a story through the finer nuances. Share your images using #MacroMagicWithEvaPolak on social media, and let's embark on this creative journey together. Your unique perspectives might inspire others to see the world in a new light. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your photography friends, and consider subscribing to my channel to stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.